G'day everyone, Matt from Panda Garage here today. We are doing a video. I did one on the channel not long ago, might have been maybe a year ago, if that. And that was how to remove the tail lights out of a VT VX series Commodore, Monaro, Calais, Statesman, whatever it may be. And today I thought I'd follow that video up with a video of the next generation or the next series of cars, and that was the VY-VZ, because it was a very different setup to how the original ones were placed on the VT VX series. So join me today, we'll show you how it's done. It's pretty straightforward, so hopefully if anyone's stuck on this, that you can see on this video just how to do it. So welcome to Panda Garage, let's get right into it. This is full of stuff, but we're going to try and work around this. So the first thing you want to do is remove this paneling or the foam. Now there's these little clips here you twist off. Looks exactly like that. It's a very thin piece of plastic with little hooks on it. Now usually there's one at the top, one at the bottom, I think. No, the top one's not there. The other one's up here. So you twist this up here. It's another one of these. And as you twist it off, releases these screws in the back, and then I think it nearly pops out. Just gotta make sure. I think you gotta. Oh, sorry, there is one more. Now there's one more at the back, which is different to how the VT VX series are, because they've got two screws at the front here and like a clip on the side that you got to push out. So once you've unscrewed these, there's three of them. This should pop straight off, like so. Just gotta get the back area freed up. There we go, that's disconnected. Now as you can see, it's a bit easier. There's one screw here, one screw there, and one screw there. Now they all come with these little clips now, as opposed to the old-fashioned way, which was having like a clip that held on there, and then you'd come around here and there'd be two screws holding it in. So that is basically how to do it. It is so simple. They made it so much easier to do on this model car, and less likely to break something, so that's pretty good. Okay, so that is it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. I know this is a short video, but I think it's something that a lot of people sort of wanted to know. Remember, if you're not part of the group already, go on to the Facebook page, the Panda Garage. Give that a follow. You'll get updates and when videos are out. Check out the Instagram as well, the Panda Garage. I'm not as active on there, but I'll try my best to keep up with it. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys, my name's Matt, this is Panda Garage, and I'll see you all next time.